Uh, Such lovely, lovely moments. And what we're witnessing now, we're feeling now, I mean, wouldn't you agree that this is what Cinemalaya is all about, di ba? Itong mga nililig natin, yung mga hindi ko lang nagawa. And, okay ba kayo? Okay pa ba kayo? Sige, emotional na. Okay pa ba kayo? Kayo dyan sa upper box A, okay pa ba kayo? Sa balcony Mary Grace, okay pa ba kayo? Kayo naman! In fairness, ang dami pa rin tao. Okay, now finally, we reach the highlight of the evening. The recognition of the best film for Cinemalaya 22. Presenting the award are Cinemalaya Foundation Chairman Antonio Cuanco, Cinemalaya President Luis Galien, Competition and Monitoring Committee Chairman Carlos Sigun.
Joining them on stage to present the award are the President and Managing Director of Sony, Mr. Shuhei Sugihara, and the Managing Director of Central Digital Lab, Ms. Manette Bayrick. The winners of the award in the short film category will receive a Manahai Trophy, 150,000 pesos in cash from the Cinemalaya Foundation, an FX camera with XLR handle for 204,999 pesos.
We can't let this evening go without stating two clear facts. This is one of the strongest matches of Cinemalaya films, and this is one of the most solid batches of Philippine cinema in years. So maraming salamat sa filmmakers ng Cinemalaya 22nd edition. Cinemalaya citation for the short film category, Best Short Film. For its textured cinematography, precise color grading, and meticulous sound design, for brilliantly capturing the tangible, tactile world of a fading craft, for its emotionally resonant story of legacy and reconciliation, beautifully balancing the silent tension and tender affection between a struggling son and his aging father, as they navigate time, family, and changing times. The award for Best Short Film goes to Silk Screen by Ray Anthony Villaverde.
Kahit ang pag-usay ko na pipig sa bawat patunan, tindang ikaw pa rin umilitaw sa mga nakaraan. Kahit di na alayan ng paglipas ng lupitang at sa pagitan ng higla aking nakikita
Maraming salamat sa Panginoon for giving us this talent to tell stories to sing. And to Cinemalaya CCT, maraming salamat for giving us platform, regional filmmakers to have our stories reach the capital. Just a
Short story lang. This is a full story moment, a full circle moment for me because I first stumbled upon Cinemalaya in 2022 when Cinemalaya CCP goes to the Pitan for Festival of Honors. At that time, I watched Direk Zig's Black Rainbow and I said to myself, someday, magkakaroon ko ng Black Rainbow. And Silk Screen is a love letter to Fading Craft. It's about silk screen printing. So I dedicate this story to my parents because the inspiration of the story is from my parents who worked so hard since the 2000s to feed us, to feed me, the only son, through printing t-shirts all day, all night. So, mga pa, salamat. Thank you for supporting me in my creative shenanigans. And of course, to my team, my partner, my assistant director, Marian Barbasco, Luke, first assistant camera, si Franz, the camera department, to everyone, to my team in the Colog City, PD, Filamisami, to LL Barinaga, our DOP, my actor, Justin Lawrence Lopez, and the father actor, Tito Nonay Barbasio, who happens to be the father of Mariel, and kay Direk Z, who happens to be the script consultant and creative producer of Silk Screen. Direk Z, maraming salamat po sa tiwala, maraming salamat sa support. Mabuhay ang uling ng programa, mabuhay ang kultura at sining ng Pilipinas, mabuhay ang Pilipinas. Salamat.
The winners of the next award